What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I have an all-new ride and review for you today. I am on my way to meet the cake dealer at a brand new cocktail bar. Very loud. Hold on a second. Just keep riding here. Brand new cocktail bar called Limo Bar. It's on the corner of like Avenue B and I want to say like 3rd or 4th Street, in that area. I forget what was there before. I think my wife said it was like a popular brunch spot that's been there for a long time. Anyway, it looks great. It looks like they really did a nice job with the decorations. They made it real fancy inside. They're known for their stiff drinks. They're already known for their stiff drinks in such a short amount of time being open. They're known for their martinis. They have a small food menu, so we're gonna get some snack type bites. I think they have some small burgers or sliders. I think they got some baby glizzies and French fries and things like that. So it should be a nice, quick, boozy meal. So I'm psyched. I am on Clinton Street right now, which turns into Avenue B once we cross over Houston Street. I just crossed over Rivington, so a couple more streets to go until we get Houston. I am on the Crew Mini X. I have been having a lot of fun with this bike. I have almost been riding this bike exclusively. I want to get a good amount of mileage on it and see how everything feels. I just got a replacement part. They gave me a new sensor, brake sensor, for that issue that I was having with the error code 7. And this is one of the first times I'm riding with the replacement sensor installed. So I'm gonna see how it goes. Hopefully I don't get that error again. So far so good, but I've only maybe put 5 miles on it since I did that. So I guess we'll see. All right, so I'm on Avenue B right now. Limo Bar should be coming up on my right if this guy ever gets the fuck out of the way. Yes, here it is, right here, I see it. Let me pull up, find a place to park, and I will see you on the inside. Hey there. Nice and cold. Cheers. Oh, you're taking a photo. So. Put them up. I like the frozen olive. Yeah, olive ice cube. I like how it's still cooked properly, even though it's a tiny little burger. Wow. These are pretty good for mini. Mid-strength. I like that. That's cool. All right, Limo Bar. Limo Bar in the books. Fun spot, strong cocktails for sure. I'm gonna take it nice and easy on the way home here. Let's see if I can get around these Assholes. Okay, so martini, great martini. I got the clean dirty, it was called, which is basically a gin martini with, I think they have a premix made, because I saw them just basically poured straight out of a bottle. So they have a premix, whatever the ratios are for vermouth and gin and olive brine. I'm assuming it's not that much brine and not that much gin if it's clean and dry. They did provide a little frozen olive. It was like an olive inside of an ice cube. It was really kind of cool. And once that melted, it was very tasty. So I did like that. That was good. The cake dealer got their pickle martini, which was had like a little pepperoncini pepper, and the pickle juice was used as instead of the olive brine. Why are there people going the wrong way here? This is fucking annoying. That was pretty good too. Enjoyed that. I also had a very light beer. It was like a 2.5% alcohol beer. I had never seen that before. I had to try it. It was very refreshing. But anyway, the food, the baby burgers were really good. They were like, I want to say like 2-ounce patties. They were thick, like, and they were cooked to medium. It was surprising to me. Good cheese melt on there, good coverage on the cheese, and nice buns. Everything about the burgers were excellent. So high praise on that. We also did the baby hot dogs and the French fries. The French fries were like shoestring style, very thin, crispy, salty, which was nice. I mean, they do that at bars sometimes to get you to buy more drinks, and for sure I wanted to crush that beer after having those French fries. The hot dogs were really good. I thought they were, I know it's expensive, but like $14 for 3 mini hot dogs, but I thought that they were a generous size for minis. I thought they were gonna be like pigs in a blanket, but they were more like a half hot dog, which was cool. I would definitely go back for sure. And on a second visit, I would try their sushi style tuna on crispy rice. That looked really good on the menu. We weren't that hungry, so we went a little bit light. Yeah, this place is excellent. Fun spot. I really like the decor in there. And as I said, would go back 100% for certain. Love their martinis. Jump out to the website, johnnyprimesteaks.com, for the full review, the full write-up with all the pictures and all the details and everything. And as always, make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.